So guys, make this cute headband that you are seeing on your screen with me in less than 5 minutes. Hi guys, welcome back. So to make this band, you're going to be needing your elastic band and then any fabric of your choice. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is to get a piece of fabric and then you measure your head circumference. So in order to know what you're going to cut out, you're going to measure your head circumference, but whatever that gives you, you're going to be adding 6 extra allowance to that. So if your head circumference is 20, you're going to measure 26 because of the elastic that you'll be adding to it. So that is what you see me marking out now. So I just mark out the first piece of fabric that I am going to cut out is for the bow on the front, for the headband. Yes, that is what I'm going to, cut out first. Then after that, I'm going to measure another piece of fabric. Then that is where, remember, I say when the head circumference is 20, you're going to cut out 26. So for the bow side, you're going to be cutting out maybe 15 of that. And then you're going to go ahead. Now you have 2 pieces of this, right? One, you're going to cut the first piece that you cut out into 2, which is what you're going to use for the connection of the band, and also where you'll be adding your elastic. So after that, you're going to go ahead and fold it into 2 like this, and then run a straight stitch on top of that. And then the bigger side is going to go ahead and run a straight stitch across that. So this is what you have after that. You're going to flip it to the right side. After flipping it to the right side, you're going to go ahead and hold it in the middle. But before that, you're going to go ahead and flip every other pieces to the right side. Now that you're done that, this is just me using my screwdriver to flip it to the right side. So this is what I have after flipping it to the right side. Then for the bigger piece, I went ahead to fold it like it's like you're going to pull a gathers at the middle, at the center of it. Then I just use my hand needle to tie it together. Now after that, remember these 2 belts, I'll be using one to cover the stitches at the center front. So you can use your sewing machine to run a straight stitch on this, or you can also use your hand needle the way I am doing as well. So after that, you're going to cut the excess part out, and then you flip it to the right side. So you flip it to the right side just like what I am doing. Now after that, the next thing you're going to do is to get your elastic band. Once you get your elastic band, you're going to insert that elastic band into this piece. So you're going to go ahead and cut out, if what you have there, if it's 8 inches, you're going to divide it by 2, so that would be like 4 inches. So use your safety pin to insert the elastic band into this belt. And make sure you use your pin to secure the end. And you repeat the same thing on the other hand as well. Make sure you pull through the elastic through the belt, and then use your pin to secure the other hand as well. Now the next thing is going to do is that you're going to place it on this bow like this, and then you're going to use, just watch what I'm doing closely, you're going to use this bow to wrap that elastic band. Yes, you're going to wrap it like this, and then you use your pin to secure it together. Make sure it is properly seated. You're just going to do that, and then you can use your sewing machine to do it, and you can also use your hand needle to secure it together. Then after that, you're going to repeat the same thing on the other side as well. So whatever you do for this side, you're going to do it for the other side. By the time you flip it to the right side, you're going to see that all the stitches will be inside, and then you're going to have a very beautiful, neat and nice headband. This is a very simple headband. You can use it as an adult or a baby. I made this for a child, so this is just me showing you guys how I use my hand needle to secure it. And I'm showing you this method because those of you that were saying that you don't have sewing machine, this is very helpful and practical. So guys, that's basically it about this making of this small, cute, beautiful headband. If you find it very helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so you get to know anytime I drop new videos. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.